The fellow Opus conical burr grinder has certainly created a buzz in the coffee enthusiast community, and for good reason. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into the key features, performance, and how the fellow Opus stacks up against other popular grinders in the market. Fellow, a San Francisco-based manufacturer, is renowned for its stylish and high-quality coffee equipment. The fellow Opus continues this tradition with a sleek design and premium components. Surprisingly, the Opus is priced at just $195, making it an affordable option in the world of burr coffee grinders. The decision to use plastic for the housing and conical burrs instead of flat burrs helps keep costs down, making the Opus an attractive choice for those seeking versatility without breaking the bank. The fellow Opus follows the brand's consistent design language with clean lines and a matte black finish. Its compact footprint and small hopper make it suitable for kitchens with limited space. The Opus deviates from the traditional large bean hopper, opting for a 100-gram load bin as a single-dose hopper. The hopper lid serves as both a doser and protective cover, adding convenience to the brewing process. Equipped with 40mm stainless steel conical burrs, the Opus aims to be an all-round grinder suitable for various brewing methods, from Turkish coffee to cold brew. The Opus boasts 41 grind adjustment settings, with an additional inner adjustment ring crucial for making micro adjustments, especially for espresso. This level of control allows users to fine-tune their grind size with precision. While the anti-static technology is intended to reduce grind retention, the review notes some issues with static buildup and mess, particularly in the bean hopper and chute. The catch cup, attached magnetically, comes with a portafilter dosing cup for espresso preparation. However, the absence of a portafilter cradle is highlighted as a potential drawback. The timed auto-stop feature, though deemed somewhat redundant, automatically shuts off the grinder after a set duration, providing a thoughtful addition. The fellow Opus comes with a 1-year warranty, reflecting the manufacturer's confidence in the product's quality. The review emphasizes the Opus's versatility and performance across various brewing methods. It excels in pour-over and Chemex brewing with the ability to produce consistent results. Impressively, the grinder also performs well with espresso, although the inner adjustment ring's counterintuitive movement is noted. Proper maintenance is stressed, with recommendations to wipe down the exterior regularly and clean the conical burrs monthly. The importance of avoiding water during burr cleaning is highlighted. The fellow Opus is compared to the fellow Gen 2 Ode grinder and the Baratza Encore. While the Gen 2 Ode excels in manual brewing but lacks espresso capability, the Baratza Encore is praised for its simplicity and affordability, making it a great choice for those not interested in espresso. In last, the fellow Opus conical burr grinder stands out as a versatile and affordable option, offering excellent performance across various brewing methods. Despite some minor drawbacks, its ability to deliver precision and consistency at an attractive price point makes it a compelling choice for coffee enthusiasts.